Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Focus. In this video I'll show you how to measure engine oil level. To measure engine oil level, take a look at the top of your engine. Firstly, park the car on flat surface, turn the engine off and let it rest for 20 minutes. This will allow oil to flow down to reservoir. Now remove the dipstick and clean it. Next, place it back all the way down, take it out, and here you can find the engine oil level. There is an indicator that says max on the dipstick. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.